Hello. I'd like to make a reservation, please.
Yes, sir. For what day?
Friday.
Friday. Yes, sir. How many people in your party?
4 people. 2 men and 2 women.
Very good for you, sir. What time would you like the reservation for?
We will arrive at 7 p.m.
I'm afraid I do not have anything available for 7 p.m., sir.
Oh, no.
I do have a table available for 7:30 p.m.
7:30? That would be great.
Would you prefer smoking or non-smoking?
Non-smoking. Thank you.
Your name, please, sir.
Falfa. Albert Falfa.
Very good, Mr. Falfa. You have a reservation for 7:30 p.m. this Friday, non-smoking.
Great. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, sir.
Hello. I'd like to make a reservation, please.
How many people in your party? What time would you like the reservation for? I'm afraid I do not have anything available for 7 p.m., sir. Would you prefer smoking or non-smoking?